Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing my hair, I'll be clearing my hair. I'm gonna try that Alicia Keys hairstyle thingy. I don't think I'll do it exactly that way, but I'm gonna do this hairstyle. I'm gonna show you how to achieve this lovely hairstyle right here. So if you're interested in now, you just keep watching. Let's get into this video. So hey everyone, so for this style, the things that I use, so you're basically gonna need some braid, some pre-stretch. Well, I use a pre-stretch braid to reduce my time to make the ends. So I use a pre-stretch braid, and I use some beads. You're gonna need some beads. You're gonna need the lock and twist gel from African Pride. You're gonna need a cream of nature. I use the cream of nature edge control. You're gonna need a hairbrush and you're gonna need a comb, and that's basically it. So I basically had part the front of my hair, but you don't necessarily need to part the front of it. You could just simply part from the front, go all the way back, and then split it, but you'll see what I'm talking about as I go along. And then once I part that section, I just begin to cornrow it, begin to cornrow it, or cornrow as some of us say. And then the pre-stretch braid now, I'm just gonna add a few of it in the hair. I'm not gonna use a lot of the pre-stretch braid because I don't want it to be bulky or to look falls. I want it to have a natural look then. So I just want to add a little more volume in my hair. So I'm just adding a few pieces of the pre-stretch hair to my hair. And this is what I'm talking about, that I basically didn't have to part the front of it. I could part it straight all the way over, but you can do that if you're trying this style. So now I'm gonna get ready to add the African Pride lock and twist gel, just to get rid of the flyaways and to make it more neat as I do it. And for the front section of my hair, I flat twist it and then I cornrow it. I flat twist and cornrow. I love the look that I get from that. And then I add the braid, just add a little of braid to it to keep the natural look. And then it's basically a repetitive step right through to the end. We part the hair, I apply the lock and twist gel, and I flat twist the front and transition to cornrow. And just to say, I think I had achieved neater this style before, very neater, and my lines were parted more accurately, but I don't know what happened in this one. I just was kind of off, so my lines are not so accurate. And also, it was my first time using the lock and twist gel for this style. Normally just do it without it and I still achieve a neat, sleek look, but I decided to try it this time around and it was okay. Yay, we're all done, and now I'm gonna add the beads. So I have a about 3 different sets of beads I used. I think some of them I had bought them on Amazon. I had got some from a beauty supply store in Halfway Tree. And then I go in, and for my edges, this is where I'm going to use the edge control to sleek the little edges that I pulled out. This is an optional step. It's my first time even doing edges. I don't normally do edges. And yeah, that's it. Quick and easy, natural looking beaded braids. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video with a friend, and I'll see you in my next video.